welcome to the Chainsaw Man Cafe, not affiliated with the Church of Chainsaw Men whatsoever. My name's Kabeni, and I will be your server for today. Here is the menu. Please let me know when you want anything. Yes, everything does have a weird name. It's based on Chainsaw Man and all his friends, and it's, well, as you can see, limited. We don't exactly have a food or drinks menu, it's just the menu. You want to know what some of these are? Okay, well, to begin with, we have Chainsaw Man's Jam Toast. Hello everybody, my name is Brooklyn, otherwise known as the Dramatic Otaku, and welcome to this week's Take Two. In today's video, it's pretty much just like offshoots of me trying the food that I made, because some of them I didn't like know how to make beforehand, and some of the behind the scenes of that video. Speaking of, we're actually gonna try and make crema de cafe because I fucked it up. Here's that footage. I may have overdone it. So, for crema de cafe, I have a coffee shot. I need icing sugar. I think it was icing or caster sugar. So, due to me not, in fact, doing this in a timely manner and causing mold in the bottle, I do not get crema de cafe. And now I just have a cold coffee shot. I'm not swigging that. I'm not swigging that. I do also now just have a bottle of Powerade. I single-handedly made this based off of a TikTok. Let's see how good it is. That's just a cinnamon latte. That was just straight up just like milk and cinnamon. There wasn't even the coffee that I put in, no. All the spices that I put in to mix with the thing didn't mix. Also this, I lied, this is not cinnamon cake, this is just butter. It's just a glob of butter. No, it's butter cake. Okay, so this, first of all, isn't actually a matcha parfait, it's melon. It's the melon ball thing, and I didn't want to make a whole matcha thing. And I was like, melons are green! So I literally just blended the ice cream and melons into a thing, into a smoothie, because like, I like that. Made the whipped cream, and then put matcha powder on the whipped cream. Which, can I say, for the first time making whipped cream, this is fucking good. Now the thing I'm worried about is the fruit sando, because I straight up didn't have the right bread, and I'm aware of this. So if I was to do this again in the future, I would either make or get the right bread. This is just common white bread that you find at the supermarket, so it's not bad. But for presentation reasons, I only put fruit in the center of the sandwich when fruit sandos have fruit throughout the entire sandwich. Honestly, the cream and the bread is pretty decent together because I added vanilla to the cream, but I also fucking hate white bread. I will say, biting into this, oh, it's soggy! That's why you use the bread. That says in the recipe. When you take a bite with the fruit, it's not too bad, but I think you need the fruit in the recipe simply because I think it's a sweet bread. Yeah. You're supposed to like have like a sweeter, thicker, definitely thicker kind of bread. And this is the thinnest fucking bread on earth. But it was something we just got from the supermarket. I'm also gonna make gochujang pasta for my lunch. I probably could have gotten a sweeter melon. Because when I did this exact same thing with the first portion of watermelon, not watermelon, with honeydew, it was like, what's it called? It was a lot sweeter. This one isn't as sweet. I keep forgetting I put this bitch in here. I keep forgetting she's there. She just stares at me, mockingly. Time to try gochujang pasta that I see on TikTok. I did make it a bit chunky. That would be because I let it sit in the pot for too long. Pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.